I ponder of something great. My lungs will fill and then deflate. They fill with fire, no desire. I know it's dire, my time today. I'm on my lunch break, and I need one real bad. This entire video, the entire vlog, is dedicated to this one song. This one, right here. I found it by Googling. It's incredible. Are you ready for the best song you've ever heard? Yes. Are you ready for the best song you've ever heard? No. Yes. I mean, yes. There you go. Are you ready for the best song you've ever heard? I love that song. That's it? Wait, that's it? That was it. It's gonna go down. That was nice. Greatest song ever? Yeah.
Welcome back.
Just got to the gym. In typical Friday fashion, it's a crazy workout in 3 parts that I'll explain right now. So, if you can see here, we've got an alternating EMOM to start. We've got a AMRAP in the middle, and then we've got a 4-time at the end. Literally any, like all the types of CrossFits. EMOMs, AMRAPs, 4 times. In one day, one workout. I ain't complaining. Have you ever finished a workout and then like just sat contemplating life?
I'm so sweaty.
Oh gosh, I can't even hold the camera. Yeah. I don't even know what to say right now. That workout was crazy.
Fridays are always killer.
Yeah, but they're fun. Oh my gosh, I can't
That
even
was the
hold this.
heaviest thrusters I've ever done
Nice.
in a workout.
Yeah, 135 is pretty heavy for me too. What's up guys? I'm back and I have showered and I am in real not dirty, gross clothes and I feel a lot better than when I did after that workout, which was only about an hour ago, maybe an hour and a half ago. Now, my beautiful girlfriend and I are going to dinner at Olive Garden.
The Olive Garden.
You know why we're going to dinner at the Olive Garden? Because we have the gift card that allows us to go. That's right, we got a gift card to Olive Garden, so that's where we're going. I'm excited for breadsticks and carbs.
I haven't had Olive Garden in like 10 years.
Does Olive Garden have pizza?
I don't know.
Can I show you the coolest song in the world?
No.
Can I show you it?
Sure.
Can I show you the best song in the world? The best fire remix ever. pizza at Olive Garden. I should have known that. Oh, thank you. But like, what are we doing right now?
His idea.
My idea, no. I was like, we should get ice cream. And she's like, really?
You can't joke about dessert. Like, I'm
Ice
fine
cream?
without it, but if you bring it up.
Ice cream? And then I was like, no, we shouldn't get ice cream. Ice cream? No, we really shouldn't get ice cream. So
You said it.
we're getting ice cream.
Not complaining.
And after ice cream, that's what we're gonna call it for the night. So guys, thank you for watching. Like always, if you liked it, like the video, please comment, let's have a conversation. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And if you know someone who's not subscribed, tell them about me. Let's get this thing going, as I keep on saying. Let's get it going, let's get some subscribers going. Now, let's get ice cream.
Yes.